I am here again, Teacher Arlene, to bring you another lesson in mathematics. Today, I will teach you how to find domain and range of a function and graphs and illustrate a linear function. Are you ready? Let's go! Quarter 2, Week 4. Find the domain and range of a function and graphs and illustrate the linear function, and it's a domain, range, table of values, intercepts, and slope. The objectives are find the domain and range of a linear function and graph a linear function given any 2 points, x and y intercept, and slope and a point of a line. Note, the graph of linear function whose domain is the set of all real numbers is a non-vertical continuous line. Note that graphing a linear function is exactly the same as graphing a linear equation in 2 variables. So, same din pala sila dun sa linear function at linear equation. Now, let us find the domain and range of a function. How to find domain and range of a function? In order to figure out the domain of a function, you'll have to look at the values that's possible or that we're allowed to use for the independent variable. This often means that we cannot have a 0 as a denominator, nor can we have negative values in a square root. And how to find the range of a function? In order to do this, try substituting in different x values into the function to see what happens to y. You may find that y always remains positive, or it may be negative at some points. Your main goal is to find the minimum and maximum values of y. Let us try and find its function value. Let f of x is equal 1 over x minus 2. Find f of 0. Okay. If f of 0, f of x is equal 1 over x minus 2 our given, let us substitute 0 as x. So 1 over 0 minus 2. Therefore, f of 0 is equal 1 over negative 2, or f of 0 is equal negative 1/2. And that is our y values. How about f of negative 2? Same given function. Let us substitute f of negative 2 into x variable. 1 over negative 2 minus 2. F of negative 2 is equal 1 over negative 4, or f of negative 2 is equal negative 1/4. And that is our y values. Now let us discuss some key concept about linear function. A linear function is defined by f of x is equal mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. M and b are real numbers, and m is not equal to 0. The degree of the function is 1, and its graph is a line. Relation is a set of ordered pairs. So, yun pala yung relation. Set of ordered pairs. How about domain? Domain of relation is the set of first coordinate. Siyempre, kung may first coordinate, meron tayong tinatawag na second coordinate na tawag natin ay range. And last, function is a relation which element of the domain corresponds to exactly one element of range. Given function f of x equal negative 2x plus 4. Now, let us find the following. slope. Letter B, x and y intercept. C, table of values. D, graph. E, domain. And F, range. For the slope, how to find the slope? Let us recall the f of x equal mx plus b. If you remember the slope intercept form, and this is m is our slope or is the slope. Then our given function f of x equal negative 2x plus 4, and the slope is negative 2. Sulat na natin siya dyan. Next, for intercepts, how to get the intercept, the x and y intercept? First, let x equal to 0 to get the y intercept. First, write the given function, f of x equals negative 2x plus 4. Write y is equal negative 2x plus 4. Then substitute y is equal negative 2 times 0 plus 4. Then simplify y is equal negative 2 times 0. Siyempre 0 siya plus 4. Then y is equal 4. Our y-intercept is 0 and positive 4. Now let us find the x-intercept. Let y is equal to 0. Write the given function. Y is equal negative 2x plus 4. This time, you need to apply the addition property of equality to x equal 4 minus y to make the value of x. Then substitute the y as 0 to x equal 4 minus 0. Then to x equal 4, you may divide both sides by 2 to get the value of x. Then x equal 2. Our x-intercept is positive 2 and 0. Now, for the table values naman, table of values, write the given function. Then the assigning value for x as 0, as 1, as 2, 3, and 4. So, let us x is equal to 0. Write the given function y is equal negative 2x plus 4 to get the value of y. Then substitute x as 0 is equal negative 2 times 0 plus 4. Then simplify y is equal 0 plus 4. Then our y is equal 4. Our x is equal to 0, then our y is 4. How about if x is equal to 1? Write the given function as y is equal negative 2x plus 4. Then substitute as x is positive 1, negative 2 times 1 plus 4. Then simplify y is equal negative 2 plus 4. Then combine y is equal positive 2. If x equal to 1, our y is positive 2. Let x equal 2. Write the given function again. Then y is equal negative 2x plus 4 to get the value of y. Then substitute y is equal negative 2 times positive 2 plus 4. Then simplify negative 4 plus 4 is equal 0. If x equals 2, our y is 0. Let x equal 3. Write the given function y is equal negative 2x plus 4. Then substitute the x as 3. Y is equal negative 2 times 3 plus 4. Then simplify y is equal negative 6 plus 4. Then our y is equal negative 2. If x is equal 3, our y is negative 2. last, if x is equal 4, write the given function y is equal negative 2x plus 4, then substitute x as 4. Y is equal negative 2 times 4 plus 4. Then simplify. Y is equal negative 8 plus 4. Our y is negative 4. X is equal 4. Our y is negative 4. Then you might write on this left side our table of values. Then graph. How to graph this? Siyempre, we need a Cartesian plane or rectangular coordinate plane to show the x-axis and y-axis. Plotting point. The first point is 0 and positive 4. Second point is positive 1 and positive 2. Third point is 2 and 0. The fourth point is 3 and negative 2. And last, 4 and negative 4. Then you may connect the line, and that is our linear function of negative 2x plus 4. Now, how about the domain? How to get the domain? Look at this line. This is our domain, all possible x values. Now, you may write negative infinite and positive infinite. What do you mean by that? Ibig sabihin, lahat na pwedeng negative na x or positive na x ay possible na values ng linear function natin. Ibig sabihin, marami po siya. How about range? Look at this line. How to identify the range? The range, all possible y values. Then you may write negative infinite and positive infinite. Same din sa domain. So, marami din siyang possible na range na pwede nating makuha sa y. Let us assess what you have learned. Question number 1. What is the slope in the given f of x equal 3x plus 6? Is it A, positive 3, B, negative 3, C, positive 6, or D, positive 1? I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, if your answer is letter A, that is question number 2. What is the y-intercept for the given f of x equal 3x plus 6? Is it A, 0, positive 6, B, 6, positive 6 and 0, C, 0 and negative 6, or D, negative 6 and 0? If your answer is letter A, here Number 3 question. What is the x-intercept for the given f of x equal 3x plus 6? A, 0 and positive 2. B, 2 and 0, positive 2 and 0. C, 0 and negative 2. D, negative 2 and 0. If your answer is letter D, that is question number 4. Which of the following graph for the given f of x equal 3x plus 6? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it D? I'll give you 5 seconds. If your answer is letter A, that is correct. Last question. What is the domain and range for this graph? Is it A, the domain is positive infinite, and range is positive infinite and positive infinite. B, the domain is positive infinite and negative infinite. Range is positive and negative infinite. And letter C, the domain is negative infinite, positive infinite. Range is negative infinite and positive infinite. And or letter D, the domain is positive infinite, negative infinite, and range is negative infinite or positive infinite. If your answer is letter C and you're correct. Thank you for your listening. And that will be all. I hope you enjoy watching and learning with me. Thank you very much. Bye.